Jeanne, and Kai Joe. Whoa! Hey, Jeanne and Cotton fans. Welcome to the Jeanne and Cotton Show. So today I'm so excited because I got a package from, I'm pretty sure, Banggood. And I'm really excited to see what's inside. It's a humongous package. Wow. So, I'm not sure what this is, and I'm pretty sure it's from Banggood. So I'm so excited to open it, and let's just open it. Now, I'm thinking it could be a slime kit. So this is just going to be the opening of it, and then I will do a separate video if I am right. Oh, wow. Okay, so first thing I pull out is actually some glue to make some slime. So this is PVA white glue. And then I got 3 containers of clear glue. Thank you. So this is Banggood because they do the same as I got in this one. Yep, it's from Banggood. Thank you, Banggood, for sending this to me. Now, what is this? So it came in this like thing to protect it. Oh, it's a slime kit. Okay, so we got sodium tetraborate, a big thing of it. Thank you. It's a slime kit. Okay, so we got some purple food dye. Another one. Whoa, this is a big one. Okay, so I got 5 things of clear glue. I got 3 things of white glue. Oh, I got 6 things of clear. No, I got 7 things. I have 2 little measuring cups. Oh. I have this little, ooh, cool, this little thing where you suction it. And then I have this little scooper. I have an invoice. Make magic clay slime cotton mud crystal mud making kids game toy gift. Cool. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we got some gloves, like these little gloves. Thank you. Oh, we have 2 droppers. Woo, cool. And yeah, the food dye. Whoa, that's a lot of containers. Okay, so we have 5 containers with 5 lids. Thanks. And then I think this is the rest of the food dye. So you have yellow, black, orange, blue, pink, and whoa, glitter. And lastly, we have green. Guys, thank you so much, Banggood, for sending this to me. This is awesome. Now, I am going to do a separate video on making tons of different slimes. But right now, I have to go to gymnastics. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm so excited to make these slimes. Comment down below some slime ideas on what I should make with this kit. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!